What's unique about Sasin Action Learning Program is that we have a chance to work with top schools around the world. For example, MIT from the US, Tsinghua University from China, and Fudan University from China. So the concept is actually not only Sasin students working together, but also Sasin students working with all these students from around the world. I think this is a great way for students to learn through the project-based learning and support from the school via mentoring and coaching. We believe that students would grow themselves and develop themselves further to become a good business leader in the future.
For the New Venture Labs, build your own startup. Another caveat is that many of these students who do this lab then go on to represent Sasin to compete in various graduate startup competitions around the world as well. We run our own competition, the Bangkok Business Challenge, which many of our students enter, and there are a whole host of competitions in the US which we have won in the past, such as the New Venture Championship hosted by the University of Oregon, the Rice Business Plan Competition, which is the largest one in the world in Houston, and the Stu Clark competition in Canada. And now there are a whole growing crop of new competitions that are more focused on not only building a new business, but also a business that creates positive social impact. So there are a whole bunch of these that are coming up as well.